In this APA moment, we'll explore how to create a reference and a citation for an article in an online magazine or newspaper site. With references, we'll start with the author's name, last name, comma, and the initials for the first name, period, space, and the initial for all middle names, followed by a period and space. Secondly, we'll add a date, which is in parentheses, followed by a period. Online magazines and newspapers can have a full date, year, month, and day, a partial date with a year and a month, or a seasonal date with a year and a season, such as spring, summer, fall, or winter, or it can just be the year. Finding the date may be difficult, so see our video on how to find a web page's date. In the case where there is only a month or a season, use an opening parenthesis, the year, comma, space, the month or season, followed by a closing parenthesis and a period. Next, the title of the article. Only capitalize the first letter of the first word, all proper nouns, and the first letter of the word following a colon. This is followed by a period. The title of the article is not italicized. This is followed by the full name of the magazine or newspaper in title case, period, and it is italicized. And then the hyperlink, with no period after the link. As far as citations are concerned, with a paraphrase, you can put the attribution at the beginning of a sentence by using the author's name, comma, space, and the year in parentheses, and then the text. You can also place the attribution after the sentence. However, do not put a period after the sentence. Follow the sentence with an opening parenthesis, the author's name, comma, the year, closing parenthesis, and a period. Direct quotes can be formatted in two ways. You can put the attribution prior to the quote with the author's name, space, and year in parentheses, followed by an appropriate verb, comma, and the quotation within quotation marks, but no period. Following the closing quotation mark, in parentheses, add an abbreviated name of the header in title case. Title case means that every word except small words have the first letter capitalized. Follow this with the word section in lowercase, closing parenthesis, and a period. If there are no headers, use an opening parenthesis, the word para, P-A-R-A, in lowercase, period, space, and the paragraph's number, closing parenthesis, and a period. You would need to count the number of paragraphs from the top. To put attribution after the quote, have the quotation within quotation marks, but no period, followed by an opening parenthesis, the author's name, comma, space, year, comma, space, an abbreviated section name in title case with the word section in lowercase, closing parenthesis, and a period. I hope you've learned something from this APA moment.